Sino ka man, saan ka man nanggaling, gayon ka mo pati gayon. 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 Maligayang pagdating, maligayang pagdating, maligayang pagdating sa bayan namin. Maligayang pagdating, maligayang pagdating. Sino ka man, saan ka man nanggaling, malugod lang itatanggapin. Walang pagpapanggap ang aming pagtanggap, gayon ka mo pati gayon. Sana'y masyahan dito sa aming bayan, Amos, gayon ka mo, oh, oh, oh. Maligayang pagdating, maligayang pagdating. Sino ka man, saan ka man nanggaling, gayon ka mo pati gayon. Tulad na inisan ng tingkapan,
Ang aking masamadaya, aga po masaya na. Nakarapiling sa kalwa, magsiyak at umiba. Pero hindi siya magwala, pero ka nang dalawa. Ang aking pag-ikot manda.
Acknowledging the presence of our Tourism Secretary, Secretary Cristina Garcia Frasco. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the inauguration and turnover of the Tourist Rest Area here in Briggs Point, Palawan. To start with this momentous event, may we call here in front DOT Region 4B OIC Director Roberto P. Alabada III, DOT Office of Special Concerns Director Glenn Albert M. Ocampo, PIAZA Construction Management Department Manager Engineer Amelita S. Caganda, DOT Undersecretary Ferdinand C. Humapao, Chairperson for the Committee on Tourism, Councilor Stalwart Joseph M. Benedito, Briggs Point Mayor Cesario R. Benedito Jr., and Tourism Secretary Garcia Frasco to officially open and inaugurate the Tourist Rest Area. Let's do the countdown. Tourism and TESA officially turned over the Tourist Rest Area to the municipality of Briggs Point, Palawan. Secretary Cristina Garcia Frasco will give the symbolic key to the local government unit represented by Honorable Cesario R. Benedito Jr. as he unlocks the door to the Tourist Rest Area. A round of applause, please. At this point, Reverend Father Kim Luis A. Leganson will lead the blessing of the TRA.
Tayo po'y manalangin sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Makinig tayo sa mabuting balita ng Panginoon. Ang mabuting balita ng Panginoon ayon kay San Lucas. Papuri sa iyo, Panginoon. Pagpasok ninyo sa alinmang bahay, sabihin muna ninyo, maghari nawa ang kapayapaan sa bahay na ito. Kung maibigin sa kapayapaan ang nakatira roon, Sa kanila ang kapayapaan. Ngunit kung hindi, hindi sila magkakamit nito. Manatili kayo sa bahay na inyong tinutuluyan. Kanin ninyo at inumin ang anumang idulot nila sa inyo, sapagkat ang manggagawa ay may karapatang tumanggap ng kanyang upa. Huwag kayong magpapalipat-lipat ng bahay. Kapag tinanggap kayo sa alinmang bayan, kanin ninyo ang anumang ihain sa inyo. Pagalingin ninyo ang mga may sakit doon at sabihin sa bayan na lalapit na ang paghahari ng Diyos sa inyo. Ang mabuting balita ng Panginoon, pinupuri ka namin, Panginoong Hesus Kristo. Manalangin tayo. Manahan ka, Panginoong Hesus Kristo, sa piling ng nagpapasinaya sa gusaling ito at humihiling ng pagbabasbas sa iyo, upang sa paglagi rito'y kanilang madama ang iyong pagkupkop, upang sa paglabas dito'y kanilang makamit ang iyong pagtataguyod, at upang sa pagbalik dito'y kanilang mapaunlakan ang iyong pagpasok hanggang tanay sumapit sa iyong inihandang tahanan. Sa maligayang pagpisan sa iyong Ama sa kalangitan, Hari namin na bubuhay kasama ng Espiritu Santo, magpasawalang hanggan. Amen. Tayong lahat, Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name.
As we forgive those who trespass against us.
Dito na lang kami, babalik rin nga sila dito.
Extra blessed.
Yes. Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord. Sa gabi.
Ang kapayapaang kaloob ni Kristo ay maghari nawa sa ating mga puso at ang salita ni Kristo ay manahang lubusan sa ating kalooban upang anuman ang ating ganapin sa salita o gawa ay mangyaring lahat sa ngalan ng Panginoon ngayon at magpasawalang hanggan. Sumain niyo ang Panginoon at pagpapalain kayo ng makapangyarihang Diyos, Ama at Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Congratulations to the municipality of Briggs Point for this new tourism facility, the Tourist Rest Area. Let us all have one big photo opportunity highlighting Briggs Point TRA. Again, may we invite all the officials for the big photo opportunity highlighting Briggs Point TRA.
Pamove lang konti ito, patras. Patras lang konti, patras lang. Ready, 1, 2, 3.
Love sign, please. Love sign, heart sign, everyone.
Okay, ready, 1, 2,
Smile for the camera.
Okay, RC.
Thank you and congratulations to everyone.
A big congratulations to the municipality of Briggs Point for its new tourist rest area. May we now invite everyone to join us for lunch at the Briggs Point Event Center. After our meal, we'll proceed with the continuation of our program. Thank you.
Dapat di ba nakakasakay? Sabihin mo lang kung saan kayo, sir. Nakasakay. Harap pa. Pwede kumaway ka. Saan? Sir, saan ka banda? Ano yung nasa?
Lahat po ng ating mga guests and officials, kumari lamang po ay dumiretso na tayo sa ating Briggs Point Events Center. Maraming salamat po.
Ilang yung natinapos ko sa iyo. So yung A-bomb ngayon Naka-backstep pa rin mas talaga si Mayor Vinelli no? Ano po? Skin po. Skin po camera sir. One of the multi-awarded writer natin sa Palawan. Nakita na siya before na si Mayor. Yeah, administrator siya before. Pasyal na po ako doon nung nasa Palawan News pa ako. 2016 po. Isunod mo ng study sa akin. Kaya nga eh. Pero parang man yan eh. Masyadong sensitive yung ano. Oo, hindi kami makapapunta lang basta-basta. Kaya, sige lang. Really looking forward na maging nice. Siguro. Naka-ano naman po kami, naka-field jobs naman kami sa kapag-date naman. Makabote. Ready? Ready, 1, 2, 3. makuha ko eh.
Mga naka 3 hours from Puerto Princesa Airport.
Bailan po sa akin.
Yung bailan.
Naka-standby lang sa LED wall. Pero wala pa pag nag-allow. Para ma-ready. RT.
watermark ha. So lagay ng space dito.
Thank you.
Maglalagdag sana tayo ng kuha sa ano, pang TRA kaya. Sa GA.
Ipa-plug mo na lang para ano siya, yung walang kulay. Para kulay.
Hindi mo na kailangan yun.
Hindi.
Hindi, bibilan sana.
Hindi lang kung kailangan. Kumain ka.
Photo naman Palawan Tourism members. Okay.
Sa loob. Okay, ready?
Thank you so much. Thank you for coming here.
Yung white?
Let's proceed na lang to the
Let us all welcome once again the Secretary of the Department of Tourism, Secretary Cristina Garcia Frasco. As we take a short break, we invite everyone to enjoy the meal prepared by our generous host, Mayor Benedito, and the local government unit of Briggs Point, as we welcome on stage the Sining Amihan Cultural Dancers.
Maligayang pagdating, maligayang pagdating, maligayang pagdating sa bayan namin. Maligayang pagdating, maligayang pagdating, sino ka man, saan ka man nanggaling, malugod langit tatanggapin. Walang pagpapanggang ang aming pagtanggap, gayon ka mo pati gayon. Sana'y masyahan dito sa aming bayan, Amos, gayon ka mo, oh, oh, oh. Maligayang pagdating, maligayang pagdating, sino ka man, saan ka man nanggaling, gayon ka mo pati gayon. Tulad na inisan, munting kapaligiran, ito ang aming kayamanan. Betod na kambak-kambak, meron kaming anak, siguradong babalikan ang maligayang pagdating, maligayang pagdating, sino ka man, saan ka man nanggaling, gayon ka mo pati gayon. Sino ka man, saan ka man nanggaling, gayon ka mo pati gayon. 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 Maligayang pagdating, maligayang pagdating,
again, we are now inviting all of our distinguished guests to please grab your lunch. Thank you so much.
Pagtanggap, gayon ka mo pati gayon. Sana'y masyahan dito sa aming bayan. Amos, gayon ka mo, oh, oh, oh. Maligayang Pasko.
There is a place where you belong. Embrace, you know it's home. Warmth of the sun that shines on your dreams. Love is everywhere, all around the Philippines. Love in our smiles. This place holds the key to the magic. You and me, hand in hand, walk through the city streets, dance on golden sand. Love is everywhere. Love the Philippines. Love is everywhere. Love the Philippines. Love the Philippines. Beauty surrounds us, scenic sanctuaries. These islands, the harsh legacies. Nature that nurtures and bursts of flavors in the Philippines. Your hearts will Love is everywhere. Love the Philippines. Love is everywhere. Love the Philippines. Love the Philippines. Son Visayas. Traditions found in our hearts and our soul. Love will lead you. Let's embrace you. Know it's home. Love is everywhere. Love is everywhere. Love the Philippines. Love is Philippines.
Magandang tanghali po muli sa inyong lahat. Welcome to the continuation of our program for the inauguration and turnover ceremonies of Brooks Point Tourist Rest Area. At this point, may we call on the chairperson for the Committee on Tourism, Councilor Stalwart Joseph M. Benedito, for his welcome message.
Maraming salamat po sa ating pong mga kagalang-galang na panauhing pantangal, Secretary of the Department of Tourism, kay Secretary Cristina Garcia Frasco, ma'am, kay Undersecretary Ferdinand Humapaw, sir, Assistant Secretary Cesarina Zara Loyola, Director Glenn Albert Ocampo, Regional Director Roberto Aliabado III, at kay Engineer Amelita S. Kaganda, at sa iba't iba po ng mga opisyalis po ng CHESA at ganoon din po ng Department of Tourism. Gayon din po sa ating po mga kagalang-galang na mga butihing mayor ng iba't ibang bayan po ng probinsya ng Palawan. Nandito po si Mayor Iba ng bayan ng Batarasa, Mayor Pedi Sabando ng bayan ng Rojas, Mayor Lily Torico ng bayan po ng Quezon, at gayon din po sa ating board member, Board Aris Arsaga, at kay Congressman Jose Chavez Alvarez na sa katauhan po ni Sir Paiging Magbanwa, at kay Pinoy Workers Party List, yan po si Kong Batoy. At gayon din po karangalan po ang para sa amin ang makasama kayo ngayong hapon. At sa mga butihing po naming opisyales ng bayan ng Brooks Point, sa pangunguna po ng ating butihing mayor, Mayor June Benedito, sa mga kasamaan ko po sa Sangguniang Bayan, nandiyan po sila, at mga barangay officials, barangay kapitan po ng iba't ibang barangay dito sa bayan ng Brooks Point, mga department heads, men in uniform, mga kawani ng lokal na pamahalaan ng Brooks Point, mga bisita, isang mapagpalang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Malugod ko po kayong tinatanggap ngayon po sa inauguration program ng Tourist Rest Area ng bayan ng Brooks Point. Ito po ay isang makasaysayang hakbang tungo po sa pag-unlad at turismo po ng ating bayan. Ang Tourist Rest Area po ay hindi lang po yan isang pasilidad, hindi lang po yan isang gusali, kundi ito po ay isang lugar po ng ginhawa, lugar ng malasakit, at lugar po ng pagmamahal, lalong-lalo na po sa bayan po, sa bisita po ng bayan ng Brooks Point. At gayon din po, ito po ay isang lugar ng oportunidad para po sa ating mga kababayan. Kaya po, sa amin po, sa bayan ng Brooks Point, hindi po namin sasayangin at pababayaan ang tourist rest area na yan. Dahil yan po ay sumasalamin po sa aming turismo, at yan po ay alam po namin kung ano po ang ambag sa aming bayan. At sa amin po, sa counterpart po namin, amin po ipapakita kung anong uri po ng turismo ang meron ang bayan ng Brooks Point. Yan po ay turismong may puso. Kaya sa inyo pong lahat, muli po, magandang hapon, mabuhay pa kayong lahat. Maraming salamat po, at lalong-lalo na po, maraming salamat po sa Department of Tourism sa biyaya po na ibinigay ninyo sa bayan ng Brooks Point. Muli po, pagpalain po tayo ng may kapal.
Thank you very much, Councilor Benedito. We'll now hear a message of gratitude from Mayor of the Municipality of Brooks Point, Mayor Cesario R. Benedito Jr.
Isa pong mapagpalang hapon sa inyong lahat. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Nabusog na ata kayo at hindi na makasagot. At una ay nais ko muna humingi ng pasensya dahil sa hindi ko na po maisa-isa yung ating mga kasamahan dito para po naman mabigyan po ng medyo mahaba-habang pagkakataon yung ating pong mahal na sekretary sa kanya pong ibibigay na mensahe para po sa atin. Nais ko muna pong bumati kay Secretary Cristina Garcia Frasco ng Department of Tourism at kay Undersecretary Ferdinand Pumapaw ng Department of Tourism, Assistant Secretary Sarina Loyola mula rin po sa Department of Tourism, kay Director Glenn Albert Ocampo sa Tourism din po, Regional Director Roberto Alabado III sa Tourism din po at si Engineer Amelita Kaganda. So sa ibang mga opisyalis po na nandito ngayon ay hindi ko na po may isa-isa. Lahat po ng binati ng aking kapatid kanina ay binabati ko po kayo ng isang magandang hapon. Pero nais kong batiin yung aking mga kapwa mayors, baka hindi ako papuntahin sa kanilang bayan ito. Si Mayor Lili po Torico ng bayan po ng Quezon at sa yung aking pong matalik na kaibigan matagal na ng bayan po ng Roas, Mayor P.D. Sabando, si Mayor Iba at si Mayor Billy. At siyempre po yung board member po ng kung bakit isa rin siya sa mga dahilan na nagkaroon po ng tourist area dito po sa bayan ng Brooks Point, si board member Aris Alsaga. At yung ating pong mahal na congressman, isa rin po siya na tumulong para po magkaroon ng tourist area dito. Represented po nung malaking puso, no? Si Paiging Magbanwa. At yung mga membro po ng Sangguniang Bayan, ng Bayan ng Brooks Point, mga head of office, yung IPMR sa mapunong barangay. Muli po, magandang hapon po. Ang bayan po ng Brooks Point ay nais ko munang bigyan ng kunting paglalarawan yung ating pong mahal na sekretary tungkol po sa bayan ng Brooks Point. Ang bayan po ng Brooks Point ay ito po ay merong sukat na 130,000 hectares. At ito po ay binubuo ng 18 barangay. Yung 14 po dito, coastal barangays. At ang aming pong source of income dito sa bayan ng Brooks Point ay sa agriculture at sa pangingisda. Dito po ang aming bayan, sa ngayon po ay ito po ay kinilala na coconut capital po sa lalawigan ng Palawan. Dahil meron pong total land area, ang coconut po dito, ng 21,800 plus. At yung sa rice field naman po, merong 5,100 plus hectares. At doon naman po sa corn, meron pong 723. So yan po, no? Kaya kami po ay talagang sa agriculture na bubuhay. Yan po ay pinagkukunan ng aming makababayan. Bagamat gusto po namin pagdating ng araw na ang bayan po ng Brooks Point ay makilala rin po at magkaroon din po kami ng source of income doon po sa turismo. Na nakikita ko naman po, marami pong tourist destination dito po sa bayan ng Brooks Point. At ito pong pagkakaroon ng tourist rest area dito, ito po ay isang malaking inspirasyon. Malaki pong pagbabago sa ekonomiya po ng aming bayan. Dahil ngayon pa lamang po ay marami nang pupunta dyan sa tourist area na kung saan po ay tinitignan nila talaga pong bago sila pumunta doon sa ibang bayan tulad po ng Batarasa, ng Quezon, ng Batarasa, Quezon, Balabac, diyan po sila dumadaan sa TRA na yan. Kaya nung nandiyan na po yan, ay talaga pong buhay na buhay yung bayan po ng Brooks Point. Kaya mahal na sekretary, maraming salamat po. At yung bayan po ng Brooks Point, ang inyo pong napili na lagyan po ng TRA. Dahil hindi lang tataas ang ekonomiya, pati po yung aming mga kababayan na sila po ay mayroong hanap buhay na nakadisplay po doon, mayroon na po silang paglalagyan. At yung po'y promotion na rin po ng kailang mga produkto. Kaya po malaking tulong sa amin na pagdating po ng pagkakataon na maging tourist destination po yung aming bayan, ay nandyan na po yung TRA. At mahal na sekretary, kasama po ng pasasalamat namin sa iyo, ay may kaakibat din po kaming kahilingan dahil tulad po na nabanggit ko kanina, ay meron pa rin mga tourist destination po na pwede naman i-develop po. Hindi po kaya ng aming pondo, kaya ilalapit din po namin sa inyo. At asahan po ninyo, yung pong inyong binigay na TRA, pangangalagaan po namin yan, gagamitin po namin sa wastong pamamaraan. At asahan po ninyo, hindi po yan magiging white elephant, kundi yan po talaga ay pagtutuunan namin ng pansin dahil yan po ang aming inspirasyon sa palaguin ng turismo dito po sa bayan ng Brooks Point. Asahan po ninyo, yan po'y bibigyan namin, ituturing namin na parang isang babasagin na kristal na hindi po mababasag dahil nandiyan po ang ayuda namin, nandiyan po ang suporta namin. Kaya po, Madam Secretary, maraming salamat po. Nawa po ay marami pa rin kaming biyayang matanggap sa inyo, hindi lang po sa bayan ng Brooks Point kasi napakaganda po kung halimbawa pagdating ng araw parang package na. Yung bang meron silang makikita sa bayan ng Brooks Point, pagpunta sa Batarasa, meron din. Pagdating sa Balabac, meron din. Para bang, kumbaga sa yung provincial government na ang magbubuk sa mga turista, pumunta kayo sa ganito, pero lahat ng bayan mapupuntahan na parang package na siya hanggang Balabac po. Kaya po dapat dito sa bayan ng Brooks Point, ay sa lalawigan ng Palawan, sa southern part po ng Palawan, ay lalo pa namin palakasin yung pong tourist dito para sa ganun pagpunta sa Brooks Point, tuloy na ng Batarasa, tuloy na ng Balabac, tuloy na ng Rizal, tuloy na ng Quezon. Kasi lahat po kami dito ay mayroon pong mga tourist destination. Iba-iba po yung masasaksihan ng mga turista dito po pag pumunta sa southern part ng Palawan. So yun lamang po, maraming salamat po. Nawa po ay hindi po ito ang umpisa at katapusan ng ating pagsasama, kundi ito pa lamang po ay simbolo na tayo po ay magkakaisa para po sa turismo sa southern part po ng Palawan. Maraming salamat po. Pagpalain po tayo ng buong may kapal.
Thank you, Mayor Benedito. At this point, we request everyone's attention to the screen.
The Philippine tourism sector has firmly established its position as a vital economic pillar, delivering a solid and record-breaking 700 billion pesos in estimated tourism revenues from international visitors in 2024. Over the years, the Department of Tourism, under the dynamic leadership of Secretary Cristina Garcia Frasco, has introduced trailblazing and award-winning programs and initiatives, including the construction and groundbreaking of almost 100 tourist rest areas across the country, as far as the northernmost Philippine province, Batanes, and Tawi-Tawi in the south. A first of its kind, the facility offers comfort, convenience, and one-stop shop for travel. Visitors may now relay their queries and concerns through a multi-platform tourism hotline, now with Mandarin and Korean-speaking call center agents. The improved Travel Philippines app may be downloaded to assist tourists for wisely planning their travel to the Philippines. The app now has a Japanese translation, including deals and promos that can be availed by travelers. The Hop-On, Hop-Off bus tours provides a seamless travel experience primarily in the cities of Manila, Makati, and Parañaque. The Department of Tourism and the Tourism Infrastructure and Enterprise Zone Authority, or TIEZA, also successfully completed another transformative project, the Tourism Champions Challenge, or TCC, which awarded a cumulative amount of 255 million pesos to innovative infrastructure proposals from local government units. The Department of Tourism continues to expand its portfolio by diversifying its products from gastronomy, dive, health and wellness, film, and even halal and Muslim-friendly tourism. The Philippines seeks to maintain its presence in the international scene to further attract tourists to visit the Philippines. The Department of Tourism has put in efforts to enhance the country's branding beyond the fun and the thrill by launching the Philippine Experience Program, another flagship project of Secretary Frasco, showcasing the heartwarming and remarkable treasures of Philippine tourism. The successful hosting of the Philippines to the 36th Joint Meeting of the UN Tourism Commission for East Asia and the Pacific and the UN Tourism Commission for South Asia, and the first UN Tourism Regional Forum on Gastronomy Tourism for Asia and the Pacific has put the country on the global spotlight. Even the prestigious Michelin Guide has arrived in the Philippines, a big boost for our gastronomy scene. This year, the invitation to love the Philippines is a call that resonated with the world. As we, the country, continue to entice tourists to witness what love is in the Philippines, the United Airlines, Air Canada, Air France has launched direct flights to and from Manila. With the Department of Tourism's aggressive efforts to building a more inclusive, resilient, and sustainable tourism industry, the Philippines was re-elected as Vice President of the 26th General Assembly of the United Nations Tourism and Chair of the Commission for East Asia and the Pacific at the 37th Joint Meeting of the UN Tourism Commission for East Asia and the Pacific and the UN Tourism Commission for South Asia. What only began as a heartfelt love letter conveyed to the world has now resonated to a more meaningful message of hope for Filipinos living abroad who wish to return home, for foreigners wanting to explore our unique and astounding 7,641 islands. Today, the Philippines is the world's leading dive destination, world's leading beach destination. Boracay is the world's leading island destination. And the Department of Tourism is the world's leading tourist board, along with back-to-back citations and accolades from international publications and award-giving bodies. Together, let us discover and celebrate the many reasons to love the Philippines.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, our guest of honor and keynote speaker, the Secretary of the Department of Tourism of the Republic of the Philippines, Secretary Cristina Garcia Frasco.
Hello, kamusta? Maradyaw, maayong adlaw.
Mayong hapon kaninyong tanan. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Napakasarap bumalik dito sa Palawan dahil hindi lang na napakaganda ng probinsya ng Palawan, it has once again been awarded as one of the best islands in the world. Napakasarap din ng pagkain, sarap ng pitik-pitik kanina. And syempre, napakabait na mga taga-Palawan. Maraming salamat po. Salamat kayo sa inyong mainiton kayo nga pagdawat kanako karong hapuna. Binabati ko po yung inyong napakasipag na mayor ng Brooks Point, Mayor Cesario June Benedito Jr. Sali na po sa inyong mga local officials na nandito, pati na rin po yung ating mga department heads, barangay captains, and all of the people of Brooks Point. Kasama din po natin yung ating mga mayors from the other LGUs of Palawan, Mayor Al Sharif Iba of Bataraza, Mayor Lily Garilao Torico of Quezon, all the way from Rojas, Mayor Pedi Sabando. Nag-welcome sa atin po kanina the chairperson of the Committee on Tourism, Culture, and Arts, Councilor Watwat Benedito. We are also joined today by the representatives of the members of the House of Representatives. I'll make special mention to the very good friend of my mom, Gov Gwen, si former governor and now Congressman Pito Alvarez. And of course, may I also greet your governor, Governor Alvarez, duly represented here. Kasama ko po yung ating mga officials sa Department of Tourism, pati na rin po sa TIEZA. Of course, we have our Regional Director Robbie Alabado of Mimaropa. And of course, we would have a very difficult time implementing our programs and policies without the support of the private sector. That is why I'm very grateful for the presence of the Palawan Tourism Council. And syempre, napakasipag talaga ng ating mga tourism officers from all over Palawan. Maraming tayo po kayo para po ma-recognize. Maraming salamat po, most especially sa ating TO dito sa Brooks Point. I would also like to greet from the Taking Buat Tipo Mat Weavers Association, your president, Arita Kulihin. Our fellow workers in government, our other tourism industry stakeholders, Oh, I should not forget to greet as well the provincial board members who have joined us. Thank you so much for being with us today. Our men and women in uniform, yung mga members of the academe, our friends from the media who have joined us, mga kaigsuunan kong Pilipino, mayong hapon. Today, we have inaugurated yet another project to further boost tourism in the world-class province of Palawan. Your very own tourist rest area dito sa Brook Point, which is a stopover and a destination in and of itself to your many other gems of tourism here in southern Palawan. This is not the first time I've been to Palawan. I've been here again and again. And the last time I was here sa southern Palawan ay nakapunta po ako sa Quezon. Nabisita po natin yung Tabon Cave at mga delegates po natin ay dinala din po natin sa iba't ibang mga parte ng Palawan. Dahil yung layunin po natin sa administrasyon ng ating Presidente Bongbong Marcos ay na makipag-partner sa ating mga local government units, pati na rin po sa ating mga local tourism stakeholders and communities so that tourism development is felt far and wide. Not only in our already well-known destinations, but also in our emerging destinations. And Southern Palawan is fast emerging as a preferred destination of the tourists that visit this beautiful province. Yung tourist rest area po natin ay isang pasilidad na magbibigay ng convenience, comfort, and safety sa ating mga turista. Dahil meron po itong very modern restrooms with showers, may information center, at syempre pag gusto ng kape, napakasarap na local coffee dito sa Palawan, meron din siyang cafe. And of course, nais din po natin tulungan yung ating mga local, small and medium enterprises, kaya naman po meron din siyang pasalubong center. May charging station pa, may amenities for mothers, women, and children, pati na rin po yung PWDs. All in all, the tourist rest area exemplifies the Filipino brand of care, where we take care of our tourists, knowing fully well how great an engine of the economy tourism has been for our country. Palawan itself has contributed greatly to our nation's coffers. Sobra na po sa 20 billion in tourism receipts yung contribution ng Palawan sa turismo ng ating bansa. Maraming salamat po, Palawan. This tourist rest area intends to serve not just Brooks Point, but also the neighboring municipalities and the neighboring tourism destinations. Kasali na po dyan yung Sofronio Española, Bataraza, Balaba, Quezon, and other areas in southern Palawan. All of these places are rich in nature, culture, and history. For truly, Palawan has long been celebrated as one of the most beautiful islands in the world. And the Department of Tourism has been relentless in its effort to ensure that the world continues to love Palawan. Under the administration of our President, the Department of Tourism has made it a priority to equalize tourism development. Gaya po ng mga mayors natin na nandito ngayon, naging mayor din po ako once upon a time, a few years ago, in Cebu. And that is why I know the challenges that our mayors face. And I know that oftentimes we have big dreams for our LGUs only to be limited by access to funding. That is why my advocacy has always been to serve, for the Department of Tourism to serve as the bridge between our LGUs and the DOT, so that we can partner, we can collaborate, and we can provide whatever assistance is necessary as defined by the LGUs themselves. These tourist rest areas complement our other projects that seek to develop the tourism industry. Kasali na po dyan yung ating mga tourism roads across destinations. And syempre, yung ating Tourism Champions Challenge provides funding for tourism infrastructure. In addition to that, dahil alam ko po na priority ng Palawan yung sustainability, this tourist rest area in Brooks Point is also a model of sustainability dahil solar-powered po ito at meron din po siyang rainwater harvesting to make sure that our tourists and our locals are able to appreciate the necessity of ensuring sustainable tourism development. Pero alam din po natin na maraming hamon yung ating bansa. We recognize that there are many challenges confronting our country. From the impacts of climate change to fortuitous events, earthquakes, storms, severe weather systems, corruption even has plagued our country for quite some time. Yet, we must never forget the power of tourism to continue to provide hope for our people, to continue to provide employment, livelihood, and a means for the upliftment of their quality of life. And that is why, under the Department of Tourism, we are working as hard as we can, as hard as humanly possible. Kaya naman po, non-stop po yung work natin all over Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. And yung hope po natin ay yung partnership natin with the local government units can ensure that tourism, the benefits of tourism are felt within our communities. Kaya yung hiling ko po sa ating LGU dito sa Brooks Point, sana po ay we take good care of our tourist rest area as we take care of our tourists. Because if we do that, then we can ensure na yung mga turista natin ay hindi lang pupunta dito once or twice, kung hindi, babalik-balikan po nila. And the result of that is more tourism receipts, more income for our tourists, and of course, more development for the local economy here. Over the past week, nakapunta na po, sa Friday po, pumunta ako sa Zamboanga del Norte. The very next day, pumunta tayong Laguna, tapos Bacolod on Sunday, Monday, Masbate, Tuesday, Manila. Anong araw na ba ngayon? Wednesday, no? Wednesday, nandito po tayo sa Brooks Point. At tomorrow, pupunta po tayo sa Baguio, Benguet, tsaka na po sa Mountain Province. Sa aeroplano na po ako nakatira. But I'm sharing this with you because that is the breadth of the work that we have to do for tourism for our country within the vast expanse of our nation. And the Department of Tourism cannot do it alone. That's why hinihingi ko po yung tulong ng ating mga local government units. Humihingi po ako ng tulong sa ating provincial government. Patuloy po yung ating collaboration. Sana po magpatuloy yung ating partnership dahil nandito lang po yung Department of Tourism para magbigay ng whatever is needed by the province for it to continue to contribute to our economy and for it to continue to be a model for sustainable tourism development sa ating bansa. Magkaisa po tayo. Let us come together. Let us come together for our common love for the Philippines. Mga Pilipino po tayong lahat, kaya po sana magkaisa tayo para sa pag-unlad ng ating bayan at ng ating probinsya at ng buong Pilipinas. Suportahan po natin yung ating mga tourism stakeholders, yung tourism workers natin, yung ating mga tourism destinations. Dahil sa sinasabi ko palagi, sa turismo may trabaho at sa turismo may asenso. Maraming salamat po. Love Palawan and love the Philippines.
Thank you. Thank you, Secretary Frasco, for your relentless and inspiring efforts to improve the Philippine tourism industry and promote the Philippines to the world. Now let us have the Tourism Secretary at the center of the stage for the awarding of the token of appreciation from the municipality of Brooks Point, Palawan. May we call on stage Mayor Benedito to be joined with the President of the Takning Buat People Mud Weavers Association, Ms. Arita Colihim, and Ms. Talamala MP, the weaver of this tipo or pandan mat.
Up in our smiles,
Commerce Secretary in return would like to give the Department of Tourism's Love the Philippines hand to Mayor Benedito in appreciation of his passion for promoting tourism in the municipality of Briggs Point. A big round of applause once again for the municipality of Briggs Point, Palawan.
Surrounds us, scenic sanctuaries, these islands.
Hello, group photo po tayo. Tayo po tayo lahat. Dito tayo sa center. Lahat ng guests po natin, employees, dito po tayo. Sa harap po, dito po yung camera natin sa on stage. Converge tayo lahat, employees ng Brooks Point. Baba po tayo dito sa baba. To join Secretary Cristina, the Mayor, the councilors po. Lahat ng staff ng DOT. Region, tourism officers, members of Palawan Tourism Council po. Okay, love sign po, heart sign, and show your biggest smile for the camera. Now, we will do the video. Sigaw po natin, love Brooks Point, love Palawan, love the Philippines. In 3, 2, 1, go! Thank you, everyone, and congratulations!
Once again, congratulations, Municipality of Briggs Point, Palawan! As we wrap up today's inauguration and turnover ceremonies of the tourist rest area here in Briggs Point, we'd like to thank everyone for joining us today. Thank you and good afternoon.
ka man, saan ka man nanggaling, gayon ka mo pati gayon. Gayon ka mo pati gayon. Gayon ka mo